Our veneers are completely different. These are custom made to snap on and fit right over your existing teeth. So no damage, no grinding, no drilling, nothing permanent. We take exact impressions of your real teeth and then craft these in our lab using our patented fitting technology. No glue needed, nothing like that. If you have gaps in your teeth, that's fine. Chips, fine. Yellow teeth, not anymore. And yes, by the way, guys, you can eat pretty much whatever you want with these. I would just stay away from hard or sticky or super hot foods just to be safe. And yes, we do give you a 3-year warranty, so if they do get broken or something happens to them, we will replace them for free. And yeah, you could spend $25,000 to permanently wreck your teeth, or you can spend a tiny fraction of that to get custom veneers that give you that same Hollywood smile, but without actually having to do a bunch of work on your natural teeth. And guys, it's normally $570 for the top and bottom set, but we have a special offering price, $484 right now, or you can get just the top or just the bottom for $314 each. And yes, you can break that up into payments if you want. Not so expensive now, is it, guys? I mean, come on. You want to check them out. The link is below this video.
Hi, everyone. My name's Dr. Dean. I'm the founder of Shiny Smile Veneers, and I want to share some really life-changing insights into your smile. I have been in dentistry for over 20 years, and I see every day firsthand how much a smile impacts someone's life. It's not just about your appearance. Your smile affects your confidence, your relationships, career opportunities, and your very self-esteem. For so many, veneers are life-changing. And these are simply the best on the market, and these are safe, easy, and you get instant results. But here's the issue. Cosmetic dental work is insanely expensive. Did you know a full set of traditional veneers can cost $20,000 or more? I have to drill down your real teeth, and most insurance plans won't even cover it. That's why I created Shiny Smile Veneers.
This customer just called our veneers way too expensive.
I wanted to love this, but I cannot justify this kind of price for veneers.
Okay, look, I hear this all the time, so let me break this down for you. Regular veneers at the dentist cost $15,000 to $25,000, and they actually grind down your healthy teeth with a drill to even do that. So yeah, and hey, Invisalign can cost over $6,000 and take over a year. Our custom veneers cost a tiny fraction of that and cover up everything right away without hurting your teeth at all. This is actually how people get this same perfect Hollywood smile for way less than what dentists charge. And your real teeth stay just how they are. These aren't some plastic cheap things either. They're completely custom made in a lab to fit your mouth. You get a kit mailed to your house, make your teeth molds in like 5 minutes, and then we build your veneers custom fit for your teeth. You get 3 tries to get the perfect fit. And you can always just call us if you need help, and we'll help you. Also, your snap-on veneers come with a 3-year warranty, and you can pay in small monthly payments if you want to. When you break it down like that, this is by far the cheapest and fastest way to get your teeth.
Okay, wait. So I used to absolutely dread Zoom calls because I just absolutely hated how my teeth looked. I was just super self-conscious about my smile, but no more, awkward meetings and stuff, because I found a solution. Shiny Smile Veneers. They're basically snap-on smiles, custom snap-on smiles, Now I'm always smiling. I can't stop. Maybe people are getting a little sick of my smile. So yeah, my Zoom meetings went from the worst part of my day to the best, really. If you've been hiding your smile, try Shiny Smile Veneers.
This was me before this little miracle right here. Okay, so if you're like me and you want a better smile without having to go to no dang dentist, then check this out.
Shiny Smile, and it's super simple, guys. Step 1, order yourself your top arch, bottom arch, or both, whatever you need, right? Step 2, they're gonna send you a impression kit. Step 3, just follow the guide, this step-by-step kind of guide they give you, and just get your impressions right there at home. Mail your impressions back. You just pop them in a prepaid envelope, which is nice, no shipping fees or nothing. You get your veneers. And for me, it was actually less than 2 weeks, I think, so fast. And get this, you also get 60 days to try them totally risk-free. friggin' 60 days, guys. I mean, come on, that's awesome. And this 3-year warranty makes sure that any chips or cracks or whatever, that's all covered, which is a good deal. So stop fussing with all these overpriced, overcomplicated things and just get yourself some Shiny Smile Veneers.
It's hard to show myself like this, but I want you to know how well this product works. Shiny Smile Veneers are the best purchase I've made in years. First off, this product is incredibly affordable. I swear by them. I was nervous at first, but now I wear mine every day. Get this, I even eat my meals with them in. But ladies, this is the best part. Yes, you drink red wine with the veneers in. Woohoo! As amazing as they are, they do take a little time to get used to. But I was able to find some helpful videos that made it so much easier to be comfortable. Please check out Shiny Smile Veneers. You can thank me later, and we will toast to it.
I spent like 8 months looking for a job, and it was just rejection after rejection.
So I wanted to see if my teeth were really the problem. I mean, I knew they were, but I was like, okay, if I want a job, I gotta get them fixed. So yeah, I bit the bullet and got these custom-made Shiny Smile Veneers, and man, am I glad I did.
I finally have my confidence back, and I'm just ready to live my life. So I just got out of my interview, and they called me almost right away to tell me I'm gonna receive an offer from them soon.
Listen, I'm telling you, these veneers just work, and you can try them risk-free. Just do it.
The old me looked like this. I've had a missing tooth for almost a year after a stupid sporting accident. And, well, the old me was someone who was always hiding a smile. I really had no idea you could get like real dentist quality veneers online. I ended up getting these perfect fitting custom veneers that snap on over my teeth. These veneers look awesome, and the best thing is they look exactly like my real teeth. So I just want to say that if you hide your teeth, just trust me, Shiny Smile Veneers will make you feel like yourself.